Hey, good morning everybody. It's Bill with Spray and Pressure Washing. We are at a paver sealing job today. Today we have a pool deck that we are cleaning, sanding, and sealing. So let me walk you back to show you what we got. Okay, so this is our pool deck for today. A couple little pieces that we still got to move off of there. You can see it's got some weed growth already starting to happen in here. We'll get all that cleaned out. A little small area. And then back along this side. Got ants that are building a little nest in here. That'll be fun. Get that taken care of. So that's our project here for this morning. So let's get moving. It's gonna be another hot one today. Okay, so before we start turbo nozzling, I noticed the pool cage is pretty bad, so we're just gonna go ahead and take care of that for him while we're here as well. I don't know if you can see it on there, but there's a lot of green algae. You can probably see it up there. So yeah, so we're just going to go ahead and take care of that while we're here. It's going to make the rest of the job look so much better. All right, let's get busy. Okay, so we're all done turbo nozzling now. We treated for the effluent. Now we're getting ready to put down the point break, our organic cleaner, and then to wipe out the neutralizer. So let's get busy. Okay, so we got our point break, our organic cleaner. That's all finished up now. So now it's time to neutralize, and we will be all set until tomorrow. Okay, so we're all wrapped up here for today. We just got done putting down the neutralizer, and now we'll just let everything dry up. Come back in the morning and put our sand down and lay our sealer. We're going to be putting down the Trident Category 5, Cat 5, with gray sand on this one. Probably use a D1 solution. So let me show you what it looks like. Alright, so it's all looking good now. All the weeds and dirt are out. Sand's all dug out of it. So, should be in good shape. Alright, well, it was another hot one today, so. Alright, we will see you back here tomorrow. Alright, good morning everybody. So we're back at the paver sealing job here this morning on this pool deck. So let me walk you around, show you what we got. We got pretty much everything sanded right now. Section, there's a couple of pavers here that have fallen. So we're going to go ahead and pop those up, put some more leveling base under there to even them out before we put the sealer down. Okay, so it's going to be another hot one today. Let's get moving here. Okay, so we're all done sanding, cleaning, vacuuming. Everything's prepped, and now it's time to mix up the sealer and we'll put it down. Okay, so we got our little mixing station here. We got everything laid out. Today we're using the Trident Hurricane Cat 5. So Time to mix up some magic here. Okay, so we're all wrapped up here on this paver sealing. I'll walk you around and show you how it turned out. The color came back really nice in this one. Yep, it's fantastic. I tried it Cat 5. This is why we use it. It's more expensive than a lot of the sealers that are out there, but my gosh, the results are just amazing. Okay, so that's a wrap here for today. We will see you at the next job. Hey, just a real quick favor to ask of you. If you're enjoying these videos, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. It really helps us grow this channel. And if you leave us some comments of what you might be looking for, what you want to see in the future videos, I'm more than happy to try to accommodate you.